Jordan brand is giving the Air Jordan 1 Low OG renewed attention as it moves into the latter half of 2025 and beyond, highlighting the timeless appeal of the original low-cut design. One of the standout upcoming releases is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Sail, expected to arrive in spring 2026. This pair leans into a clean and refined lifestyle look, featuring a soft mix of sail, off-white, and coconut milk tones that reflect the brand's current neutral-driven direction. According to early details, the sneaker will include embroidered floral swoosh detailing, adding a subtle yet premium touch to the design. The overall color blocking closely follows early speculative visuals, with the floral swooshes drawing attention for their unique shape, which some say resembles a rabbit profile. With its understated palette and elevated detailing, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Sail is shaping up to be a strong seasonal release. Expect more official updates and closer looks as spring 2026 approaches.